Hey, welcome back to a very special episode here at Midnight Custom C20. So, thanks to all of you very fine folks, we have finally reached the 1,000 subscriber.
Thank you
so much. We couldn't have done this without all of you, the viewers. We are super excited about this. This is absolutely amazing. This whole thing started out with just an idea. When we first got together, we were laying on the bed with the poodle watching other people's YouTube stuff, and we kind of tossed the idea around. And
it was actually started, we were talking about schoolies.
Yeah, we were talking about building a schoolie, and doing that. Lewis Lee.
Yes, Lewis Lee. And so Brandon, if you can't tell, he is normal height for his age. But we were looking at all the different ways that you would extend a roof on a bus to make sure that it was comfortable for him to be in it as well as me. So that's kind of where it started. And I got to looking at him and I'm like, why not us?
Yeah.
Yeah. And
then we bought a truck instead.
Yeah, on the way home from Christmas.
It was we went to visit the folks for Christmas down on the southern coast.
The first time I met them, okay? And we're buying trucks on the way home.
It was totally worth it.
It was worth it.
So, we did build something for this giveaway. And we're going to give you the keyword you got to drop down in the comments. Now, here's how this works. 1, you have to reside in the continental U.S. Sorry, everybody that's abroad. It's a shipping and logistics and customs thing. So, 2, you have to be a subscriber.
And we will check.
We will check. And 3, in 7 days after this video posts,
1 week,
we're going to use a random comment picker, and this is going to be completely random, and whatever name it pulls up first is going to be the winner
of this towel holder. Pretty epic, right?
We made this right here in-house at Midnight Customs. It's all fabricated and fully welded, and it's even got your mounting holes. And if you wanted to use set screws, or I forget what they're called, but anyway,
butterflies,
it's recessed. So this thing,
I mean, honestly, it could be a door handle.
Yeah, literally you could use it as a door handle.
That is your new man cave door handle.
Yeah, as I asked the old lady.
I already got one, thanks.
Yeah. So, I want to say, all said and done, this thing probably weighs 5 pounds. So, your wall will hold it.
Yeah. Guesstimate.
So, and it is a hickory handle. So, none of that weird cork stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, so, 1 lucky winner will get this. Now, you'll have to reach out to me, whoever you are, whoever the lucky person is. Our email is in the channel description.
After they win.
After you win.
And do all the things.
And we do all the things. Please reach out to me via email with your shipping information, and we will get this boxed up and shipped out to you.
Yeah. Super cool, one-of-a-kind piece.
It is. It's very unique. And get up close so you can see. It is de-stressed, so it looks like it's old.
There's no finish on it, so it will patina over time.
Correct. This is not coated. It's not clear coated. There's nothing on this. So
if you guys want to, that's up to you. All the way down to redoing the handle.
However you want to dress this up, by all means go for it, but this is how we're going to send it to you. So, very cool piece. This is the first one I've ever made, and I'm pretty proud of this thing.
It is pretty neat. If it wasn't a giveaway piece, I'd probably hang it on the garage door.
Correct. But
I tried hiding it twice.
By the time you guys see this video, we're actually pushing 2,000 subscribers currently. And we want to thank you guys so very much again, because this is absolutely amazing.
This is life-changing for us. Something that started off as just like, chronologically everything that we're learning, and all the stuff that we're doing together. Everyone's joining us, and it's really exciting.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
And man, have we made some good friends on here too.
Yes, we have made some of the best friends anybody could have since we started this journey on YouTube.
Life-changing friends. The friends that you always dream of having.
Absolutely. There's several types of friends, but the best friends are hard time friends. Mm-hmm. And those are the people that show up when you got nothing to offer.
Yeah.
Except your smile and a handshake.
Yep.
But I want to give a huge shout out to Arco at Outlaw Edge.
Yep.
This whole thing really kicked off because I commented on one of his earlier videos of his truck build, Convict. Mm-hmm. And, because like when I look at people's channels, I look at like how many subscribers they got, and Arco had like 647 million subscribers.
A minimum.
And I was like, I'm going to comment on this. I don't expect the guy to reach back out to me. And you know what? He did. Yeah. And we're actually, it's crazy because we're two best friends that have never met each other in person.
But I like that the drill press says not Arco's.
Oh, it's on the other side too. Dang it.
We're going to have to fix that.
Yeah, anyway, that drill press is not Arco's. He stole one that looks like mine.
Yeah.
But, so, huge shout out to Arco, and a huge shout out to Chad at Honest Peyton Speed Shop.
He is my number one, A1 from day one, employee of the month.
Yes.
Thank you, Chad.
We have the employee of the month photo hanging over the commode.
Yeah, it's not over the commode. Stay tuned for Foothill Mo. We'll show you the employee of the month photo soon. He's been like, 4 months running now?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so.
He's doing pretty good.
But I'm not intentionally leaving people out of this thank you part. And
we're just kind of winging it. We didn't bring our notes.
There's a lot. All of you have been so instrumental in the success of this channel. Bill Cameron, Edge of Eternity.
Absolutely.
Tanner at Tanner Rebuilds. Matt the Scrap Whisperer.
Absolutely.
I'm naming off the people that we interact with on a regular basis. Whiskey Dents.
Yep, Whiskey Dents is in there. And then don't forget, we got Super Clean.
Yep.
We have Art Captain.
Super Clean and Art Captain.
Evolution. Call me. We're working on it.
Yes, absolutely. Our sponsors, Super Clean and Art Captain. So, very, very fortunate to work with some really great companies and some amazing people.
Benchmark sent us stuff too.
Benchmark as well.
Yep.
I'll be honest with you. When we first started this whole venture, I don't know that I thought it was going to go somewhere.
Yeah.
I was just winging it. And to be honest with you, I'm still just winging it.
Every single day.
I gotta just shoot it straight to you, man.
We hope for the best and send it.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Seriously.
But I make it look good.
Yeah, you just gotta smile.
Yeah.
Smile and sell it.
Yeah, absolutely. Whiskey Dents. Where's the videos, bud? We need to see. I see you working out, man. I see you getting buff, doing your Macho Man stuff. But where's the content, bro? I mean, seriously. Lay it on us.
And then we got some more CB too.
Yes.
CB's got great knowledge. So if you have any questions about welding, definitely check out CB's channel.
CB Phillips at NBS Welding.
Yeah, great stuff. And then we got our buddy Aaron Fox. Just a couple more that I was
Aaron
thinking
Fox.
about. He's been another A1 from day one.
Yep.
And actually Aaron and we have met in person when I lived down in Arizona. So he is very good people.
So check out all these channels.
Mm-hmm. Lots of homework for you. Lots of new things to learn.
And like I said, if I didn't name you, it's not intentional by any stretch. There is just so many amazing people. and I'm so very thankful to have had the opportunity to interact with you. And we haven't met yet because we're in the Pacific Northwest, and for whatever reason, all you guys are in the Midwest.
Yeah.
I don't listen. I don't get it.
Maybe it's like, universe telling us that that's where we're gonna end up.
Yeah.
That could be. No, I'm kidding. We're going somewhere warm. My body can't handle it.
So no. Anyway, thank you guys so very much from the bottom of our hearts. It really means the world to us, and we're going to continue to make content, and we're going to continue to grow this channel, and eventually we'll be able to start traveling to events and doing shows and things of that nature, and we're going to be looking forward to meeting you guys.
Absolutely.
All of you.
We got car show season coming up, and then we got lots of big life changes that we'll announce before too long. So.
Yep, absolutely.
Yeah.
So with that being said,
can I butt in real quick before we shut down? Just remember, you guys, if you don't think you can do something, you eat an elephant one bite at a time. Everybody starts at suck. Harbor Freight is where most of our tools came from.
Yep. And
you just have to start. You just have to start, because as Auntie Mo says, or Foothill Mo, you have to FA to FO. And that has been my motto through this entire process. And I never thought that we would be where we are, but I'm so excited for the next step. I'm just glad that everyone loves our personalities and what we do here. So like and subscribe. Comment down below.
I do love your personality.
My eyes are up here, sir.
I just learned today that your eyes were blue.
It does not surprise me. Anyway, family friendly.
Anyways, so thank you guys so much. We're going to be looking for you to comment Midnight Customs C20 in the comment section.
Oh.
And 1 week from the day that this video goes public, we are going to do another video.
Yep, and that's going to have, we'll do that. Should we do that on a live? We need to bring the podcast back.
No, we might do a live.
I think that's a pretty big thing. I think we need to do a live for that, honey bunny.
I think, we'll probably do a live for that. So you guys are going to see...
in real time.
You're going to see the Pocket PC do the magic and know that...
we're legit.
The winner's legit at me winning. We're not just picking our favorite people. I'm going to be honest with you. That way I'm not picking myself to keep this thing.
100%. Because honestly, I want to keep it too. I want to put it on the garage door.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, I think it would look really good with a turquoise towel hanging from it too. So, girl stuff.
I like rust.
So do I.
So,
anyway.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
If you haven't already, hit that like button. And if you would, please subscribe. We'd love to have you around.
Interact with us. We'll reach back out. Sometimes I'm a little slower. But, it's what it is. I always make it back to the comments.
Hee hee hee.
I'm an asparagus.
Totally. Thanks, guys.
Bye.